Welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll be discussing some drills and exercises to help take care of SI joint pain. The SI joint, the sacroiliac, is the major mover or key factor in our gait movement, our ability to move left leg, right leg in a bipedal motion, bipedal motion. So in this video, I'll discuss a few exercises in which you can help alleviate the lower back SI joint pain that a lot of people experience through habits of excessive sitting, long commutes, and so forth. First, we're going to warm up the joint. We're going to stay at 90 degrees for the legs, and we're just going to move Once we feel sufficient warmth, we will then transition to the bird dog. And for this bird dog, we will progress this exercise with the use of a band. So we're going to take one band, put it around the foot, and another band around the arm. And again, for the opposite. Also, a great exercise that people do not often consider when facing lower back pain is the hip bridge. And then the abductor circle. The single leg deadlift is a great exercise for the SI joint, for hip mobility. It works for bilateral leg strength and core strength. Okay guys, I hope these exercises help you with your SI joint problems. I look forward to seeing you in the future. Subscribe and like.